The Fourth World Congress is being held in the heart of Sydney, close to the famous Sydney Harbour, which boasts two Australian icons, the Sydney Opera House and the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Whilst attending the Congress, we hope you take time to enjoy our beautiful city, spend time with the koalas whilst visiting Taronga Zoo, catch a ferry to Manly, or take a trip to the world-famous Bondi Beach. Sydney is built on cultural diversity and celebrates events such as Chinese New Year, the Sydney Gay and Lesbian Mardi Gras, and local international festivals celebrating cultures and countries from around the world. Sydney is recognised for its fine produce, restaurants and hospitality. Enjoy food sourced direct from the Sydney fish markets or flown in from across the country daily. Try the restaurants, small alley eateries or cocktails high in the sky. We are proud of our Indigenous history and their stories that date back tens of thousands of years. Sydney is a short distance from beautiful sights such as the Blue Mountains, home of the Three Sisters, and some of the most stunning natural wilderness and wildlife in the world. Head north to the country vineyards of the Hunter Valley, home of world-renowned wines and produce. Australia has something for everyone.
On behalf of the New South Wales Government and Correctives Services New South Wales, I most sincerely welcome you to Sydney in 2019.
Welcome.
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 Welcome.